Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the Tribe Beauty Box. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this is my second Tribe Beauty Box. Last month was really good, so I can't wait to get into this and see what we have. Now, this month they did have their first time being able to customize one of the items. Their palette was their eyeshadow palette that is in here. Came in 3 different color variations, and you got to choose which one that you wanted, which I think is amazing because they don't just stick you with one of them. You got to choose which color combination that you wanted if you chose it ahead of time. If you didn't, then I'm sure they just sent you something at random, but you did have the option to customize that palette. Now, if you don't know about Tribe Beauty Box, they are a bi-monthly beauty subscription. They give you 5 full-size products in their box, and it's always valued at $110 or more. And they try to give you like a full face. They'll give you a skin, a face, a lip, an eye, and a tool. You can cancel and skip your subscription at any time. You get a birthday discount or a gift for your birthday as well. They also won 2019's Best Canadian Beauty Box Award, which that's awesome. So congratulations, Tribe Beauty Box, for winning that award. That's amazing. Now, again, they are bi-monthly, so if you do want to grow your collection or you don't want to have too much makeup coming in every single month, that's the beauty in this because they are bi-monthly. So it's only 6 boxes out of the year, and you get to try out amazing products. They do focus on indie to small and all female owned businesses. This is all female owned 100%. And they stick with, like I said, business owned and small indie brands. Sometimes they are higher end brands. It all just depends, but you get a mixture of amazing products to try out. The box is $34.99 a month plus shipping. For United States, it's $4.99. For Canada, it's $6.99, but you have the option where you can pick it up yourself at no charge in Toronto. They have international shipping as well that starts at $15, and then one of them is $17. If you are international, you can definitely check that out. I will link their website down below. You can follow that link to go directly to their site so you can check out their boxes. And if you use my code Crafty, you get 10% off your order, which is amazing. So let's go ahead and dive into this bi-monthly box and see what we get. Now, I did choose my palette a while ago, and honestly, I can't remember which one I chose. So let's see. Tribe Beauty Box. And that's what it looks like when you open the box. All right, so let me get these products out. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the palette first because that's what I'm most excited about. And it is right here. So here is the palette. This is an 8 color eyeshadow palette, and it looks like it's by Ruby May. And I got, this must be the palette Mood. And again, they had 3 different variations. So let's go ahead and see which one we got. There is a mirror on top, and ooh, these colors are so pretty. I like that. They're very different, and these are very wearable shades. Even though some of them look like they're a little bit on the brighter side, they look like they're wearable shades. So let me go ahead and swatch them for you guys. Ooh, that teal. What? Holy pigmentation. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try. Look at that pigment. Let me wipe my fingers so I can get these other colors on here. What in the world? That is a lot of pigment. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at those colors. Look how bright. Holy pigmentation is right, because oh my goodness. What? Wow. All right, I'm loving this already. I don't think I've ever had anything that swatches that bold and bright. Look at that. I can't wait for that teal. If you guys follow me, you know teal is my favorite color, and that is amazing. I am so excited to try out this palette. That is going to be so much fun. And it's really good to get palettes like these every now and then that have some bright, bold colors. You can mix them in with your other palettes. You can create a complete look. Whenever you want to have fun or add a little bit of pop of color, at least you have one palette that you know you can go to that is, hello, pigment. Yes. All right. So there's item number 1. Starting off really good. Now, there is not a card in here, you guys. So I'm going to need to look up the pricing and I will be dropping it in as I go so you can see. And then at the end, I will add up what the total value is. But again, it's always going to be over $100 plus. So let's get in with the next. Ooh, and this is by The Balm. Priming is Everything. Natural Eyeshadow Primer. Oh, okay. There's that. And The Balm always has some fun packaging. So there's that. And then inside, it says priming is everything. And it has like a brown color. It looks kind of like, it's right there. I put it on an awkward side of my hand, but that is what it looks like. So there we have it. Oh, and it dried down very quick. It's already dried. So I'm definitely gonna try that out. I like that. And I normally don't use primer, but that one looks like that might be good. So I'm gonna try it out. I'll try it out. Next we have is by Cargo Cosmetics, and it looks like it says Key Largo Powder Blush. Okay, so we have a blush. There is the outside packaging. And it's in this little fun little tin. There's the back. Whoa, that is bright. This is definitely very good summer colors, especially with that palette. Look at that. There we have it. So there is a blush by Cargo Cosmetics. Next we have is a Bella Pierre Cosmetics HD Setting Spray, High Definition Makeup Setting Spray for long-lasting matte finish. For lasting matte finish, I added long in there, but I'm sure it's long-lasting as well. And there's that. All right, so there is a setting spray. And then the next item in here is Cosmetics, a Luxe Lip Treatment. We'll have to open this and see what it is. I can't believe these colors. That is like a bright burgundy. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I can't wait to play with this palette. So if you guys order, you can choose from the 3 different palettes. And I'm gonna try to go back to their Instagram and I'll screenshot the 3 different ones. So if you do order this, you'll know which is which, so you can be prepared, so you can order and pick which palette you would like. Okay, so that's what it looks like once you open it up. There's the color. It smells good. I always have to smell everything. So there we have that. It added a nice little sheen with a little pop of color. I think that looks really good. So there's this entire box, you guys. So again, we got the HD Setting Spray by Bella Pierre. We have the Cargo Cosmetics Blush, which that's a big full thing of blush, you guys. That'll last you a long time. Priming is Everything Eye Primer by The Balm. We have this lip product, and this is again by Cosmetics, and mine is in the color of, what color is this? Looks like it says Andromeda for the color. And this gorgeous, highly pigmented palette, you guys. I'm very, very excited to add this to my collection because every now and then I do want a pop of color, and I know at least grabbing this, I'm gonna get the full pigment, and it's going to be an extremely nice looking, bright, true to color on me. I can't wait. I really cannot wait. So again, you guys, if you are interested in the Try Beauty Box, go ahead and follow my link that is down below. Use Crafty so you can get that 10% off your first month's order, and that's amazing. So comment down below, let me know, what did you think of this bi-monthly box? How are you liking this palette? Because holy moly, already I am loving it, and I can't wait to play with it. And I can't wait to try this. The lip is amazing. I'm not a huge blush wearer, so that's why I didn't swatch this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this product just yet. This is an amazing box. Again, you have pretty much a full face. You have the blush, you have the palette, you have the lip product, you have the primer, and you have a setting spray to lock it all in. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this. Again, comment down below, what did you think of this box? Do you get this box? Are you interested in getting this box? Your positive interaction means the world. If you haven't done so already, I'll greatly appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, and then you'll watch the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.